Hello and welcome to Daily Scaling with Shireen. I'm going to do a quick video just on sage products, different types of sage products, and just smudging in general. Now, smudging is basically a way of cleansing the energy or your aura. It could be cleansing a new product that you've got, so it could be a garment, it could be something secondhand. I always, tend to smudge my products, especially if it had a previous owner. Now, the first go-to smudge product is this. This is White Californian Sage. White Californian Sage is really good because it gets rid of negative energy and it can, boost memory, give mental clarity, and ultimately it improves the air quality. Now, sage cleanses the air by reducing 94% of airborne bacteria. This is according to science. This isn't me. This is a scientific study that was carried out numerous times, different types of studies, and it has proven time and time after again that it actually gets rid of airborne bacteria. So we have the 4-inch in stock, and we also do this one. This is between 8 and 8.5 inches. This one's the largest. So if I show you the two in comparison, that's the difference between the small one and the large one. This will last, that could last up to a year. These last me, I could use them every day and it will still last me at least 6 months. Now this is mine, and I can show you how to light them in a way that doesn't set the whole thing on fire. Okay, so get your lighter. I've got my heat proof dish. This is my Abalone Shell. What I tend to do is I tend to aim for a corner as opposed to setting the whole smudge on fire. So just like so. And then I tend to blow on it. So you've got, it looks like that basically. That's all you want. You don't really want to set the whole thing on fire. You only want to set it on fire if you know you're going to do a huge space. So if I know I'm going to do the whole house, then I'll set the whole thing on fire. But I won't set it more than like, 1 centimetre to 2 centimetres in. So this is sage. This is White Californian Sage, okay? This is this one, but half of it. So the next product we have, this one is Yerba Santa. This is actually a mixed sage, White Californian Sage and Yerba Santa. Now this has 2 great benefits. It has the benefits from sage, which is obviously to purify and cleanse the air. And then you've got the Yerba Santa, which is the orangey looking herb, which actually allows us to be more in touch with our psychic powers, and it actually allows us to connect with our ancestors and honor our ancestors. And during meditation, this is a perfect go-to one if you want to connect and honor spirits, angels, ancestors. This is your smudge stick. Sorry. And then we've got our newest product, which is an Abalone Shell Smudge Kit. Now this contains a 4-inch smudge stick. It contains a shell. It's quite large actually, and it contains a Palo Santo stick as well. Now this kit costs £12 and it's well worth your money. It's ethically sourced and it's sustainable, and you don't get better than this. And obviously it looks good too because it's from Holistic Healing. Now, in that smudge set, you get this. This is called Palo Santo. Now, Palo Santo, it comes from Peru. The Peruvians have used it for a long time. And this is called like a holy smoke. It's called sweet smoke. It's a holy herb. Now, this gets rid of heavy energy, negative, you know, proper negative energy. It's pretty much like this, but it's got a sweet aroma to it. It's actually quite beautiful. It's a new product. It's something I've been interested in a long time, but I haven't used it because I've had to do my deep research on it, because I kept finding that it was being harvested unsustainably. So basically, due to the huge demand from the Western society, this was actually being cut down. Now, if I let you know about Palo Santo, just really quickly, Palo Santo, the branches drop off the tree. Now, the branches need to be set on the floor for at least 100 years for it to mature and for you to get the great benefit from the scent that the Palo Santo holds. Now, if this is cut down before its time, it's not going to be matured, it's not ethical, it's not traditional, and it's not the product that we want. And also, because of the great demand, more and more trees are becoming, you know, extinct, and that's ultimately not what we want. So I have made sure I've done my research, and this has been ethically sourced, and the price reflects that in the smudge kit set. You know, trust me, I trust the wholesaler, I trust where I get it from. So, you know, this is really interesting. So I'll show you how to light it. I've lit it before, that's why it's black, that's what it looks like, okay? This is what it looks like when it hasn't been lit. So you get your lighter. I've got my heat-proof dish just in case. You shouldn't really need it for this because there's not much ash that drops from this, whereas the white sage is very ashy. So you need to literally set it on fire. It's the most beautiful smell, and then you waft it off, and then it's a really dense smoke. So you won't want to do this if you've got asthma or if you've got respiratory problems or around young children. It's not really fair because the smoke is that quite thick. Make sure you've got your windows open. I'm only doing a quick session, so I've not long shut the windows. So because the smoke is that quite thick. Make sure you've got your windows open. I'm only doing a quick session, so I've not long shut the windows. So yeah, basically, so you smudge yourself. So yes, this is Palo Santo, and it's a smudge product which has great benefits as well, because not only does it get rid of negative energy, but it actually holds on to some positive energy too. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, if you're interested in buying any products, just drop me a comment, drop me an inbox, and I'll be able to help as much as I possibly can. Thank you.